Hi everyone, I'm Christina, and today we are going to take a look at how to quickly find everything you need from a website without learning the website's design or wasting time navigating menus by asking the right questions directly through AI search. So for this, we first have to set up the ContentLook AI. For this example, we are going to crawl this website, Magnolia Bakery, and we are going to add the SKI widget inside one of our websites, so you can see how the SKI works. So we are going to add it inside this website, inside the Macy's Secret website. So let's do just that. Right now we are inside ContentLook AI. In order to crawl the website that we want our answers to come from, we are going to take the URL. We are going to go back in ContentLook AI, from over here from Content, Websites, from New Website. We are going to paste the URL over here, like so. Because I just want to show you how you can get all the information you need from Magnolia Bakery without wasting time navigating their site. Basically, how you can get all the answers that you need for your questions directly from the AI search. We are just going to use this option over here, the content search, where we know AI learns your website and delivers instant answers, improving user experience and increase conversion. And we are going to press on next. I'm going to change this like so. And then I'm going to click on next. And now I'm going to click on start syncing. And now if I'm going over here to AI Hub, to AI Agents, I can see the website over here. So I can simply click on this text over here, get script. So I can copy this script like so. And now by going to my website where I'm going to add this Search AI widget in order to be able to show you this use case, I'm going to choose this page. I'm going to click over here to edit with Elementor in order to add the Search AI widget. So from here, I'm going to go to HTML and I'm going to drag it over here and paste my code like so. Now we can see the widget over here, and let's publish this page. So now we can simply task the AI search widget. So most websites make you click through endless menus just to understand what they offer. Today, I show you how to get all the information you need from Magnolia Bakery without wasting time navigating the website. So for this, we are using, as I just shown you, ContentLook AI. So this is the fastest way to understand any company's products, prices, and services by simply asking questions. So let's start with the basic, the question every customer asks first. For example, do you have vegan or gluten-free options? And we can see the answer over here. Let's also try, what are your best sellers? And once again, we can see the answer over here. We can see that they have world famous banana pudding, red velvet cupcakes, and so on. Let's try one more. How much do your cake costs? And we once again have the answer over here in a very easy to digest format. These are simple questions, but normally you'd have to browse through multiple pages to find all of this information. With SKI, you just ask. Next, let's check how easy it is to get information you need before placing an order. So let's try. Do you deliver? And what are your delivery areas and fees? And we once again got the delivery information over here in a very short format that it's easy to read. What about, do you offer same-day orders or express services? Okay, and we once again have the answer over here. These are the questions that determine whether a customer orders today or moves on. AISQ AI gives you everything instantly. But what about if you are hosting an event? People planning events always ask more detailed questions, so let's test those as well. So let's test: do you offer catering packages for weddings or corporate events? We once again have an answer for these questions. What about: can you help me choose the right quantities for a 50-person event? And as we can see over here, we even have a recommendation. For a 50-person event, you might consider ordering 2 3-layer 9-inch confetti hummingbird, red velvet, carrot or German chocolate cakes, each of which serves up to 28 people. This would adequately cover your guest count and provide a variety of flavors. And let's try one more before we move on. Can you make a custom cake for a birthday? And we have received the answer over here. So if AISQ AI can answer this, then customers can plan their entire event without a single phone call. So why this matters? You've just seen how much time we saved. We didn't click through the menu pages, the product pages, the FAQ pages, the allergen pages, or the custom order pages. We simply asked questions and got everything in seconds. So here's the most important part. Customers today expect answers instantly. If they can't find what they need fast, they leave the website and try another business. This is exactly where companies lose the most customers. Not because the products are bad, but because the information is hard to find. When a bakery, restaurant, store, or service-based business implements our AI search widget, customers no longer get stuck or confused. They don't need to learn how the website is structured. They don't have to open multiple pages. They don't have to scroll through long FAQ sections. They ask real questions and get real answers, just like talking to an employee, but available 24/7. The business stopped losing high-intent customers. People who came to buy, people who came ready to place an order, and people who just needed clarity. When the answers are instant, customers stay. They feel confident, they make decisions faster, and businesses see more orders, fewer abandoned carts, and happier clients. AI search transforms a website from something customer must learn into something they can simply talk to. And that's the future of online experience. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.